Hi everyone, how are you doing? We are Tracy
and Miranda,
and we are my Jessie Kitchen.
This time we went to Fushiminari Shrine in Kyoto.
I visited there for the first time last year.
It used to be a popular spot for foreign tourists, but the COVID-19 epidemic prevented foreign tourists from coming to Japan.
Why was Fushimi Inari Shrine popular with foreign tourists?
There is a series of torii called Senbon torii. Torii is a gateway of a shrine.
I saw it too. That is a very fantastic landscape, isn't it?
It was popular because the scenery was beautiful even for foreign tourists.
I hope foreign tourists can come to Japan again.
I agree.
By the way, why does Miranda visit Fushimi Inari every February?
In February, there is a day called Hatsuma, and there is a festival.
What is Hatsuma?
In the old days in Japan, Chinese zodiac sign was used to indicate the date. The first day of Uma in February is called Hatsuma.
I see. I didn't know. What kind of festival is it?
On the Hatsuma, I pray for business prosperity and the safety of my family. Fushiminari Shrine is the headquarters of Inari Shrine all over the country.
Why are inari-sushi and aburage offered at the Inari Shrine? Aburage is fried tofu.
It seems that the god's errand at the Inari Shrine is considered a fox, and the fox's favorite food is called aburage, and the aburage is similar to the color of the fox's hair, so they offer it.
On the Hatsuma, we eat inari-sushi and pray to the fox god.
Yes, let's go there again next year.
Yeah, let's go!
Now, let's make okonomiyaki right away. Okonomiyaki is a local food of Osaka.
I love okonomiyaki. Let's make something delicious.
Let me introduce the ingredients for okonomiyaki. Let's start with the basic ingredients. 15 grams of flour, 30 grams of grated yam, 50 grams of water, 1 bag of Japanese-style granules, 150 grams of cabbage, a bunch of green onion, Tenkatsu, 2 eggs, 2 roses per piece. Tenkatsu is deep-fried flour from the leftover of cooked tempura.
Next, I'll introduce the recommended ingredients. Seafood such as shrimp, squid and scraps. And cut corn. Cheese. And cut rice cakes are also recommended for children.
The last one is toppings. The standard toppings is green rubber, dried bonito, sauce, red ginger, mayonnaise. Others eat mustard, ponds, soy sauce.
Have all the ingredients.
When you have all the ingredients you like, let's bake them.
First of all, what do you make it from?
I'll start with the dough.
The dough is made from flour and grated yam.
That's right. You put the flour and grated yam in a mixing bowl. Add the Japanese granules and water and mix them with a whisk. You can bake 2 seeds in this amount.
How do you cut cabbage and green onions?
Cut cabbage coarsely chopped and green onion into small pieces.
Put the cut cabbage and green onions in another mixing bowl.
Put the tenkatsu in there too.
Okay,
I'll put 1 to 2 tablespoons of the first dough in that mixing bowl.
add 2 eggs and mix.
I'll bake it next time when I get this one.
The frying pan is warm and ready.
Then pour the dough into a circle.
I'm going to put the ingredients on the dough.
You are right. Cover it with a slice of meat with your favorite ingredients.
I like cheese and rice cakes. What about Miranda?
I like seafood.
How long do you bake if you cover it?
Bake for 4-5 minutes and turn it upside down.
It's surprisingly difficult to turn it over with a spatula.
Look at it. It's cooked beautifully.
If you can turn it over, what will you do next?
Next time, cook over medium heat for 4-5 minutes without a lid.
It looks delicious. I'll transfer it to a plate.
When you put it on a plate, pour sauce, mayonnaise on it. Put green lava, dried bonito on top, and decorate it with red ginger.
It looks delicious this time too.
Tracy has cheese and rice cakes. I'll have my favorite okonomiyaki with seafood.
Let's eat together.
If we speak wrong English, please let me know in the comment section.
Thank you for watching. Bye.